Hey, y'all, it's me, Marty. Look what I got for my birthday. 2 big wooden boxes with handles on them. I've always wanted a couple of big wooden boxes. No, actually, they're not just wooden boxes. Do you know what they are? Can you guess? Take a guess. Take a wild guess. Anyone? Anyone? Bueller? Fry? No. Anyway, well, I'm home, y'all. Got home about an hour or so ago. And my run out to California back, I got unloaded in the cities this morning, and then I actually did a couple of local runs, got some produce and brought to the food shelf, and then yeah, I'm home now, parked my truck here, my big truck, and then I got my small truck. Anywho, just had a wonderful dinner with my honey, and I woke up with a cold this morning, some kind of cold flu thing, I don't know. I got a sore throat, runny nose, it's like sinuses. I've been sneezing and blowing my nose, and it's like, I rarely get sick, y'all. Maybe once or twice a year, and it usually only lasts a day or two, but anyway, I'm sure it's nothing but, I'm gonna drink some chicken broth tonight and have a big dose of NyQuil and get a good night's sleep. Probably feel better tomorrow. Anywho, it is September 18th, 2024. Day 18 of my September challenge, making a video every day in September. So I hope you're enjoying them. Actually, a couple of days I made 2 videos, so there's, yeah, I'm on like 20-some videos. Anywho, this is a quick little video today, just to show you something I got from my wife for my birthday. My birthday was yesterday, as y'all know. She actually got me a couple of things. She got me these. Then also, she got me a couple of oil lamps and a jig fishing thing for ice fishing. Okay, so that kind of just tipped it off. I get it, tipped it off. The tip up, you know, for the ice. They're fish houses, y'all, or ice houses. I call them fish houses. And she got them free, and they're like handmade. They're wood and canvas. They got handles on them. I'm guessing that top small one is like 4. I'm guessing that one's like 4 by 8. This one, I'm guessing, is like 7 by 8. It's huge. I mean, there's a small one and a big one. She got them both free. A friend of hers, husband's sons, or somebody built them, and so it kind of makes it special because it's somebody that she knew. And yeah, she went up and got them last week and surprised me. So yeah, I'm excited because. So if you don't know, if you're from the South or another country and you don't know what ice fishing is when you go out on a lake when it's frozen in the wintertime and you drill a hole and you fish. And it's a Minnesota thing, it's a northern kind of thing, but I haven't done it in many years. I grew up doing it with my dad. My dad had a fish house and it was just fun. And so I'm excited. It's another thing we can do in the wintertime. I love winter and fall and the cooler weather. And so this one might be a little big to bring on the lake. We could. But what I'm thinking, I'm excited to use them for ice fishing. But the big one I'm thinking maybe use just for a shelter on our property here and camp in. That one, I think we'll take ice fishing. Maybe this one too someday. We'll see. But I got to figure out a way to transport them. I might put skids on them so we can get them to the lake and then pull them out or something. I don't know. We'll see. But tomorrow morning, probably tomorrow afternoon, that's going to be tomorrow's video, or one of them. I might do 2 videos tomorrow. We'll see. But I'm going to set them up in our yard, and because there's canvas and poles and everything, and yeah, so that's going to be pretty cool. And maybe this week or this weekend, do a little camp out in one of them. So yeah, a couple of fish houses my wife got me for my birthday, so it was wonderful. I'm excited. We can use it for ice fishing and for just camping in. So yeah. I'm excited to see how they go together, how they're a lot bigger than I thought. It's going to be fun. So anyway, yeah. We'll see tomorrow how they set up, and I'm excited, and I'll share it with y'all. So anyway, just wanted to show you something I got for my birthday from my wonderful wife, and yeah, it's going to be fun. Another wonderful way to enjoy the outdoors. Oh, by the way, I did a live stream yesterday for yesterday's video, and thank you for all who showed up, and it was wonderful. It was like a birthday live stream. It was fun. If you didn't get a chance to watch it, just go to my playlist to the live. It's on my channel. You can watch the replay. I'm a nut. There was like a reindeer in the truck and everything. It's crazy. But anyway, if you want to rewatch the live stream from yesterday, if you missed it, go watch it. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video and every video. And yeah, oh, the sun's starting to set. It's a little warm out. Fall is coming though. It's going to cool off in a few days. Anyway, my wife and I are going to go for a walk and then lay in the hammock a little bit and watch the sun go down. And yeah, anyway, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.